in Braj, everyone is in Madhurya Bhav. There's no such thing as Shanta Ras or Dasi Ras. Everyone it's just, for example, if you have a boat, if you're on a boat, and there's animals on that boat on some ocean liner, you have your pet dog is there and your pet bird, and there's dogs and there's servants and there's people, and there's 3,000 people, and you're going for a 1-month cruise. There's so many, what to speak of rats, lots of rats in the boat, rats and cockroaches and all kinds of living entities, desirable or undesirable. We're all on the boat, and there's so much paraphernalia. There's clothing, and there's pool tables and swimming pools and movie theaters and so much food and everything. Now if the boat sinks, it goes under the water and sinks, then what happens? Everything becomes wet. Everything becomes soaked with salt water. What to speak of finished off, drowned, dead. But everything becomes soaked in the salt water, right? The books, the pool table, the rat, the cat, the dog, you, everything. So the same thing in Madhurya Dham Vrindavan, everything is dripping with Madhurya sweetness, Madhurya Ras. So anything and anyone that comes into Vrindavan, they get saturated and drowned in the Madhurya Ras. The trees are Madhurya Ras, the ground is Madhurya Ras, the deer, the birds, the swans, the cows, the cowherd boys, everyone is assisting the Madhurya Ras, or knowingly or unknowingly, or tasting the Madhurya Ras, or directly experiencing it, especially the trees and the animals. There's no restrictions for them. So they get lavishly showered with the sweetness of Radha and Krishna's prem. So here, of course, this is another nature of Mahabhav, because the Manjaris, Radharani and the Manjaris and Sakhis, when they are in this Mahabhav, Divyonmad Mahabhav, one of the symptoms of Mahabhav is to see your feelings, you project your feelings into others, not only into other people, even into other animals and trees. So you're in a madness of love, and you're running everywhere in viraha, separation. Krishna kaha, where's my Krishna, where's my Krishna? Then you see the deer running. The deer are always running here and there. Oh, deer, you're also missing Krishna? You're also searching for the sound of his flute like us? Oh, dear, don't cry. Oh, I see there's some tears in your eyes, because they always have a little bit of moisture in their eyes. Are you crying in separation from Krishna like us? So this is called Divyonmad. Divya, transcendental, unmad, madness. Unmata. Mata means madness, and un means uttam. Uttam mata, or unmad, means highest pitch of madness. Absolute crazy. Total crazy. But transcendental. Divya. Divya unmad. So that's the state of consciousness that you see your mood in others. So here, Vinod Vallabhi Manjari is moving around with Radharani and smelling Krishna's fragrance and becoming captivated, because that fragrance is connected to Krishna. When you smell Krishna's fragrance, you smell Krishna. Nam Rup Guna Lila Parishishna Parishad. It's all transcendental. One is connected to the other. So if you smell Krishna's fragrance, that becomes udipan, becomes an excitant or a stimulant to awaken your memory files, which means staibhav, your permanent loving mood towards the Lord.